What's going on, guys? Welcome back to this video, and today we're playing please say we've got Pride. Welcome to St. Pancras International. Because of the busy bank holiday weekend, an extra service has been put in operation which you'll be driving. Head towards the cab to get started. Come on, why can't I drive Pride? So unfair. I always got to say. Off goes Pride. Bye. I wish I could drive Pride. So yes, we're playing this scenario. Shopping Shuttle, I think it's called. Let's set up the cab here. Let's unlock the doors. Here we are. Few seconds. Again. There you go. So, yeah. So, in this video, we shall be taking this 395 to Edgefleet International, and oh, okay. Oh, so we'll be taking this train to Edgefleet International and back again. So that should be rather exciting. I thought this was just a scenario to Edgefleet International, and that's it. So now it says Edgefleet International. Yeah, Edgefleet International. So when we get to Edgefleet International, and that should change to say St. Pancras International. Got another 395 coming in here. Unfortunately, it's not Pride. Imagine if we see Pride again coming back. So yeah. In comes this 395. Reset the DRA, I will. 024, and what number are we? We're 020. Right, let's go. Right, next stop is Stratford International for a expected time of 09:08 and 45 seconds. Pretty precise there. So yes, I do love the 395 in Southeastern High Speed. Very nice. So we shall be driving to Edgefleet International and doing a return trip as well. I think they're doing a service to Edgefleet International and back because of the bank holiday. So, yeah. Right, be able to speed up to 60 kilometers per hour soon. The reason why it's all in kilometers per hour is because we're basically running on a French railway. All HS1 is basically using the French signals and everything. So it's basically we're just working on a French railway. Right. Now where's the bit Thameslink use? There you go. Oh, can't really see it from there. There you go, and that's the bit Thameslink use to go to like London and Brighton and that. That's what Thameslink uses. Let's turn our cab light on, because we're going to be in a long tunnel by the looks of it. $200 miles per hour? No, I wish we could go 200 miles per hour. No, 200 kilometers per hour. 4.6 miles into Stratford International. I don't know why they call it Stratford International, because it's like a 20-minute walk to the like Stratford station for like Greater Anglia and that. I think they just called it Stratford International because of the Olympics. Yeah, because they opened the station just before the Olympics in 2012. So They had to call it something fancy. And now they've just stick with it. 225, but we are gonna have to brake for Stratford now. Now it's gonna start warning us to slow down for Stratford International. And then after Stratford International, you've got a plain 16 kilometers, no, 16 miles until Ebbsfleet International. So let's start braking, shall we? For the 200 kilometers per hour. I think I'll just leave my brake on minimum brake and just let it brake. I think that's a good idea. It's 160. I know, because it's 160, then 130, and then 100. So it goes 225, 200, 130, 130, and then 100. I know, off by heart. Oh god, I should be braking now. Slow down. Mine as well. I'm too busy talking, I'm not concentrating on my driving. Right, let's coast up on the approach to Stratford International. We are now approaching Stratford International. Change here for southeastern services to Faversham, Dover, Ramsgate and St Pancras International. I thought we were going to be going up there for a second. Wait, what? We are not Eurostar. Wish we were Eurostar. That'd be cool. I think I'm coming in way too fast here. Yeah, I'm gonna pass my marker a little bit. Actually, no. I'm not. Perfect. Yeah. Bang on, mate. There we are. Early. Better early than late, huh? Right, let's see. Yeah, to Ebbsfleet International. 9:09. On time. Which is good. And then what's the next train on this side? Oh my god, there's a train on this side. Didn't notice. What train's this? 09:35. Really? This can't be 09:35, mate. Oh no, that's probably us. That's probably 09. Let's see. Yeah, that's us. That's us on the return trip. Just didn't change for AI trains. Got 005. Hopefully you'll be going soon. But normally, if you're here in real life, you'd see Eurostar trains come up here, and then it'll turn off, and there's a little tunnel. So yeah, I think that's when they go for like their depot. I'm not too sure when it actually leaves. Come on, close the doors, mate. I want to see you leave before I leave. I do like that, mate. Southeastern High Speed. 2009 to 2019. 10 years. It's crazy they've been in service for 10 years already. It's mental. I love the echo. Let's close doors. Right, 16 miles until S3 International now. Plain 16 miles. I would love to actually do this driving in real life. Because the southeastern drivers would probably stop here and then a Eurostar would overtake you and then you'll go behind the Eurostar. That'd be quite cool. Because Eurostars, well, we're limited to 225 kilometers per hour and Eurostars can go 230 kilometers per hour along this line. So yeah, I don't know why we can't go 230. We go 5 kilometers per hour under from Eurostar, if that makes sense. 395 must have left now. Yeah, he's left. He probably left the same time as me. Right. Let's have a look. Where's the next train we shall see? Oh, that's the Pride. That one's the Pride. I really hope we see that at M3 International. That'd be so cool. There's the next train the next train we shall see. Right, here's S3 International. Here's the next 395. We're going into this platform, so he needs to leave before we're allowed in. So yeah, I'm saying we should. I'm gonna guess we get to S3 International. Say 9:25. I'd say about 13 minutes from now. Got 13 miles. I'm pretty sure we can do more than a mile a minute. Let's see. Let's actually time it. How many miles can we do in a minute? Oh no, I'm on calculator, not on. Right, when that. Come on, change to 12 miles. Right. Let's see. When does that change to 11? How many miles can we do? How many miles can we do in a minute? On 27 seconds. It takes 27 seconds to do a mile. So 2 miles a minute would do. 2 miles a minute. Wow. Yeah, so. No, that take. No, I'll say 9:20 then. Say 9:20 we'll be able to get to Ebbsfleet. And this is where we come out into Dagenham. Dagenham's like the main, well not the main, but there's like a freight area in there. And that overnight, it's where the 92s come on to HS1 and do freight services. So, yeah. I know these fences are not what they look at in real life at all, but it's better than nothing, rather than the previous stream Dovetail did. The first previous stream Dovetail did. They didn't have any of like these fences, so it was all open, so it was like anyone could get on here. But now they've blocked it off, which is good. Right, here's where we come out again. So, yeah. There's 395. So. It does struggle keeping 225 kilometers per hour, especially when you're going uphill. too bad. Yeah, I'd say keep on notch 3. It's doing quite well on notch 3. It's annoying how this train doesn't have a speed set, but oh well. No, so we'll need all the speed possible because we're going up an uphill. Yeah, we'll definitely be able to get to Ebbsfleet by 9:20. uh, 8% of power currently we're doing. Still doesn't look that fast when it's still not majorly fast. It's saying like, what? 140 miles per hour isn't fast? What? But no, for me it just doesn't look that fast. Now here's where we get the warnings to start slowing down. Alright, start slowing down to 200 kilometers per hour. Oh shoot! Oh! I've messed it up. Oh shoot! Yeah, I've messed it up. Right, it's fine. We just panicked now a little bit. We just panicked. It's fine. I was gonna say we'll get to Ebbsfleet International before 9:20. Before I got rudely interrupted by my bad driving. 130. 130 is the speed limit we can stick. Currently. Right. Oh yeah, hopefully we see Pride here. Or is that Pride on continuing on to Faversham? I hope it's not. I hope we see it here. Please see Pride here. I love Pride. Right. Oh god, 70. We've got to be down to 70 kilometers per hour. Oh. The thing didn't tell me that. The thing didn't tell me how to be down to 70. Pride. Ah, damn it. Pride's gone. We missed Pride, unfortunately. Right. This is where we change cabs. Right. Change ends and begin the return service to London St Pancras. Let's do that. Derail. Wow, that's already got tail lights on. Interesting. What do I need to... Oh, I forgot to actually... Wait a sec. It's a neutral, why? Why have I got to... Why have I got to set the reverser to neutral? For flips, ridiculous. Sit in the driver's seat. Take a nice little... Let's walk through the train actually. So yeah, and this does look pretty realistic. So they have done a nice job on it. It's changed to St. Pancras International already. It's not pretty busy on the trains as you would expect because it's a COVID timetable. So I hope you guys are a family. Yeah, I hope you guys are. Yeah. Now this is rather busy. First coach is rather busy. Right. Now let's actually turn all these on because I forgot to do that. Right, there we go. Set the reverser to on. Open. Shut up. Right. Wait until 9:22. Right. Oh, wrong one. Didn't turn my lights on yet. So annoying. If you press like N twice, the horn gets stuck on. So that's quite annoying. Hopefully that's a bug DTG are fixing. So there you go. What does it say on the board? 9:22 to St. Pancras International. And then got no trains on this side, obviously. Do Southeastern actually do this? Like, when it's like bank holidays and that, do they actually do shuttle services in between St. Pancras and Anticipate? That'd be quite interesting if they actually do. Putting it in forward would help. And maybe having... Oh, I didn't press it. I pressed it twice. Idiot. God. Right, next up, Stratford International. Let's do the journey backwards this time. Wow, we're busy on this platform, I must say. 1:30. Right. Hey, that's cool. Got 375 going across there. Oh, that's awesome. Hey, I like that. I like small little details like that. That's cool. Turn cab light on again because we're going in the tunnel. And up to 225. There we go. Right, let's see what trains shall we see on our way to St. Pancras. There you go. Wait, say, imagine if that one's Pride. Maybe that one's Pride. And then got a 395 coming in there. Any trains at St. Pancras? Let's have a look. Nope, none at all. Now out we come again. Quite like this scenario. This scenario is quite cool. Hang, that is a god. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, mate. That is crazy uphill for a road. It's crazy. So for that one there, just God. Then yeah, let's make lots of deep roads and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm sure drivers who drive cars will be fine with it. I know I am awake, I'm not dead. But if I am dead, then the train will stop. I died. Right. Now here's where we join up with C2C. Because there's a station by HS1 called Raynham that C2C operate on. So you've got a Raynham in Kent and you've got a Raynham on HS1. Well, not on HS1, but by HS1. I think it's like right. I thought it was like right now or something. Maybe they didn't add the station. Because I know it is now on Trenton Classic. Maybe they just haven't added it on Trenton World. Which if they haven't, that's quite unfortunate. No, no trains we see coming in a minute. Unfortunate. Lagging a little bit here. I do apologise for that. And now we shall be going down into the tunnels again soon. Right, there we go. Into the tunnels. There we go. Got 5.6 miles. Yeah, 5.6 miles until Stratford International. It's normally when we get about 3 miles until the station we start getting alerts to slow down. Driving at the speed limit. Well, yeah, speed limit is 230, isn't it? So. I quite liked how you. Yeah, I'm getting loads of points for driving under the speed limit. Yeah, I quite like how you just get points for driving under the speed limit. That's quite nice. So I say our next signal not be telling us to slow down, or warning us to start slowing down for Stratford International. So let's see if I am right. Yep, there we go. Start slowing down. 200. I'm down by 200. I think I just let train just nicely brake. Don't need any maximum brake because I accidentally press E to get out of the driver seat and turn all the stuff off by accident. Yeah, let's definitely not do that. 100. Yeah, just let's put a little bit more brake on for 100. Yeah, we're slowing down enough here. It's quite good. There we go, 100. Perfect. We are now approaching Stratford International. Change here for southeastern services to Ramsgate, Dover, Faversham, and St Pancras International. Right, let's put some more brake on. Right, it's coming in nicely here. Let's see, is another 395 going to be coming in here? No, not by the looks of it. Yeah, but I'm well early here. It's crazy. Yeah, I've got a red signal at the end because how early I am. Right, there we go. 6-car marker and open doors. Let's get out and say hello to all the lovely passengers. Yeah, the train looks lovely. Hello everyone, if you want to get off here you can, if you don't want to you can continue onto St Pancras International, where you can change there for trains up to Nottingham and stuff like that. East Midlands trains, isn't it? I think it is. Correct me if I'm wrong. Gotta wait until 09:35:30 until I depart her. I was on that? The answer is no. There we go. Done that. Sit as a passenger for a little bit. No, not in that seat. I said not in that seat! Thank you. So this is how it feels for a passenger to be on my train. Well, train obviously ain't moving. Can you get over to those platforms? Let's take... You hear nothing. You hear and see nothing. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, you can. Didn't know that. I wonder if you can choose this platform in a scenario planner. And then, how do you get back over? Do you use these? Wait, how do you get back over then? Okay, you just have to climb over via... Or, please, no, lifts never work. Okay, so you can just get over to this platform by running over the tracks, which is quite dangerous. But it's not as dangerous in this game because there are no Eurostars. So Eurostars won't come storming through here at 160 miles per hour. 100. Yeah, 160. I don't know. Right. Still got a red signal, but now probably change once I've closed the doors and load passengers instruction has moved to stop at St Pancras. And change to green now. Okay. How do you tell when these are reds or greens? I don't know. How can you? If you have two white lights, does that mean it's red? I don't know. I need to start learning about these signals. I only know what these signals are saying because it says up here, so I'm only reading the signals up there. Because we're working on our French railway up to 225 kilometers per hour, but we won't be able to reach up to that speed limit because we shortly have St Pancras International. So yeah. When did this tsunami start? It's annoying, you can't. I know. You can't see, but I'm guessing the tsunami started at 9 o'clock or something. I'm saying not this signal, but the next signal. Oh no, this signal, okay. I was gonna say the next signal, because we normally start getting warned at 3.2 miles until no station was supposed to stop at, but I'm gonna keep on speeding up until this changes down to 160. I do like that sound off sound. Sounds quite realistic to my AWS button I have from Alan Thompson. Right. Start slowing down for 160. So yeah. Yeah, I think we'll be able to get to 160 before the next signal. Yeah, so good. Oh, what? That was 160. I literally hate this. That was 160. I hit on that 160 perfectly. Um, I had to press the flipping AWS button. You know what, train? You drive yourself. I'm gonna be a passenger. Good morning, guys. How you guys doing? How does it feel like to be a passenger on my train? Not very good, huh? No, no. Being on my train's awful. I'm the worst driver ever. Easy. Maybe I need to slow down for 160 before the next instruction? I don't know. Right, and now we're out here. I know I have to slow down for the 60. I swear to God. Idiot. I knew I had to slow down for the 60. I was gonna be fine. God. Swear to God. I'm normally fine driving this, but when I start recording it all goes hell. Right. God. Going to platform 12. Platform we started in, I think. Right, are we gonna see Pride here? And that is the question. Are we gonna see Pride? Let's have a look to see. Is Pride here? No, Pride is not here. Pride's gone. Pride probably went straight on to Faversham. Good morning, mate. I know I'm late. A stupid train. But the train comes to stop. And passengers, get off my train. Right. Let's shut this all down. Well, first put it into neutral, and then put it into off. Turn cab light off. Put it into tech. I'm gonna swing at you in a minute. Set the headlights off. Thank you for completing this run. Let's see how you did. God, loads of passengers came off my train. Are you gonna show me? There we go. Right, so when did this scenario properly start? Because they said this scenario should take around about 35 minutes, but because of the train having flipping issues with the train at the end, I'm probably running late a bit. 43 minutes. No, it started at yeah, 9 o'clock. Yeah, it started at 9 o'clock. Right, so there we go. So yes guys, that has been the end of this video. So yeah, I'd like to say thank you very much for watching this video. And I shall see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.